Top 5 SAP modules with highest salary in 2026. Want a high-paying SAP career? Not all SAP modules pay the same. Choosing the right one can directly impact your salary. 1. SAP S/4HANA, the most in-demand SAP skill today. Companies are upgrading systems before the 2027 deadline. Right pointing finger emoji, high demand plus future technology. Right pointing finger emoji, one of the highest paying SAP skills. 2. SAP FICO, finance and controlling, used in every company. Managers, accounts, financial reporting, business control. Right pointing finger emoji, salaries can reach Rs 1525 plus LPA with experience. 3. SAP ABAP, technical module for developers. You build and customize SAP systems. Right pointing finger emoji, high salary due to technical complexity. Right pointing finger emoji, strong demand in IT roles. 4. SAP MM, materials management, core of supply chain. Handles procurement, inventory, vendor management. Right pointing finger emoji, high demand in manufacturing and logistics. 5. SAP SD, sales and distribution, focuses on sales process, customer management, order lifecycle. Right pointing finger emoji, strong job opportunities across industries. Why these modules pay more? Because they are core to business operations, used in every enterprise, hard to replace, high in demand globally. Common mistake: choosing a module based only on salary. Without interest, you won't grow. Smart strategy: start with one core module, FICO/MM/SD, then upgrade to S/4HANA or advanced skills. The final take: high salary in SAP is not just about the module. It's about expertise plus experience plus real project skills. Rocket emoji.